Alright, so this was a 10 mil. Just pops right out here. And then these, you just use your flathead, just kind of wiggle it, and then you just push down and pull out. And then we're going to finish doing the 10 mil boats right here. Alright, so it's a 10 mil boat that goes in here. This just plugs up in there. And you can move all these, get these out the way. That's a 10 mil. Going to use a flathead screwdriver to wiggle that down, push on the center, pull out. Now we'll just remove that bolt, and then we're going to swap out the coil packs. Alright, so this is the one that's coming out, and then got some iridium spark plugs there. So it said cylinder 3, so these are going to be the new ones. Obviously you want to make sure you don't get them dirty, but you can match them up. See, they're the same. And the one in the middle is 3. And then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. So now we're gonna take that out and see how that spark plug looks. So when you look at that, that is really black and dirty. It's probably where you're getting that misfire from. Alright, so we went ahead and changed all 3 of these. I'm going to put the last spark plug in there. And then I got my girl some special lug nuts pulling out to replace these. So once we clean up the rim, clean up those calipers I painted, everything will match a lot better. Start looking a lot better. Alright, so 10 mil going in, 5/8 for your spark plug sockets. Flathead screwdriver, or you could even just use your fingers and just pull it to the side, press the middle to pull out. Plug them all back in. And then this is I guess a vacuum or whatnot. It just plugs right back in. There's the 10 mil bolt. It's going to go right back in there. Plug that back up. Then I'm gonna do the other side. Swapped out the spark plugs too, and got the new air intake coming because that actually came off my G35. And when I put my cold air intake in here, all the way down on the bottom, and then we'll get the vacuum line to plug that back in. So all this can contribute to the misfire. So we're fixing all this one at a time. Alright, see this right here? Just kind of showing everybody. This side's a little easier. So I figured it just is basically all you gotta do. And you just get down back here and you just twist it like that and push. Just pull it right off. And then you take your 10 mil out, pull this one up. This is the old one. And then it's just basically reverse. So here comes the new one. I want to just make sure it sits. Make sure you feel that little click. Do a little tug. See, you hear that little pop?
Yeah.
That's how you know it sits. And we're going to just screw that on. And we're going to just do that with the rest of them, and that's exactly how we did the other side. So do this finger tight. And remember not to go too tight because these are aluminum. So you want to just get it nice and snug. And once you get it there, just give it that 1/4 inch. Now it's real nice. Just give it a little push and plug it back in. Push this back up, and it doesn't come. Okay? And like I said, you could do it with your fingers too. Pull. Just push it in the middle. There you go. Take this one out. And then same thing all over again.